Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're at the 99 and let's start off with Halloween and see what's new for Halloween as well as fall, and definitely seeing some new pillows that I did not see at the corporate showroom. Let's see, these are $5.99 and they do light up and it says Happy Halloween. They also do have these gorgeous, beautiful Day of the Dead pillows, which I believe are also $5.99. I'm not sure if do they light up? Yes, they do. Okay. And look at this one, very spooky, spooktacular. And this one is definitely my favorite, Trick or Treat. This is $3.99. It doesn't light up, but I just like that classic burlap feel. And look at this one, Happy Halloween. Again, this one has that that feel that a lot of the new stuff is using, specifically this pattern and that like eye thing. It's very unique. But yeah, let's see what else is here. Wow, these are new. Okay, so one thing is I know Target Dollar Spot is rolling out something very similar, but theirs are way, way smaller. So it's good to shop around. And if you guys do shop at Target, make sure you do check out my fall decor video. I just posted it and it's a blowing up. Holy cow, I think I found a mother load from the Target Dollar Spot. Everything is $1, $3, or $5, so make sure you check the video out. I will be linking it down below. But yeah, check these cute little jars out for only 99 cents. And look at these. Oh, for your garden. I know that Dollar Tree is having something very similar. So if you can find them here at the 99, grab them while you can because they are going to go fast. Trust me, I've seen these go so quick. And let's see, I'm just going to move this out of the way real quick because I think I see a third one. And yes, I do. See? There is 3 kinds. Look how cute these are. And again, they're only 99 cents. Okay, guys, and let's see what else they have. Look at these beautiful skulls. I know we've seen these before. Oh, I like these new price tags. I always look at the most random things, but yeah, I definitely like these skulls for one. Wait, no, they're not $1.99. I think they're $2.99. Yes, they're $2.99. That tag is not supposed to be there, but anyway, let's continue on, see what else we can find. Oh, they even have these larger ones also for 99 cents. Wow, that's a really good deal. So you can get the tiny ones or get the large ones for the same price. Oh, and check these out. For Day of the Dead and just regular Halloween. And I find it interesting how they've mixed everything together because they're obviously 2 separate holidays, if you didn't know. I'm sure most people know that. But anyway, just letting you guys know. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. So one thing. Okay, I just see it. I just spotted it. I was about to say I have not seen this. And look what I just found. The Halloween trees. Because I'm like, I see the little ornaments for it. But I'm like, where's the trees? And here they are. They are $14.99. And they already come pre-lidded. And it's 42 inches tall. So make sure you snag them up here at the 99. And check out these beautiful dolls. These are definitely new. Okay, so they've added a lot more. And these are only $1.99. And I say only $1.99 because look at the size. Like, they're pretty big. So you're getting your money's worth. And definitely do like these little Day of the Dead skulls. And I believe these are... Oh, wow, they're actually... Are they 99 cents? Oh, wow, they are. Okay, I thought they were going to be $1.99. But I'll take it. I'll definitely take that price. And let's see. Beware. Wicked. And I think those are it. And the little gnomies. They have tons of gnome Halloween items, so keep your eyes peeled. Let's continue on and see what other spooky finds we can find. Oh, and I just spotted these cute little pumpkins. They have that, again, that fun pattern. And they're only 99 cents. So yes, I will be grabbing some for my coffee bar. I don't go too crazy decorating for Halloween, but I still like to sprinkle in a few items. And then these, of course, are a must pick up for anyone who loves gnomes. But yeah, sorry, just anyway, sorry. I just got distracted. But yeah, let's continue on. See what other items. Whoa, Hold up. Whoa, these are spooky. This is turning into a Halloween walkthrough. I mean, which is fine. I mean, you know, showing everything that's actually new. So, but yeah, these are only $1.99. That is actually pretty cool. Love the detail on these. Very spooky. And they have rolled out their Day of the Dead mugs. Beautiful for $2.99. And they're pretty big too, like a really good size. So keep that in mind. They take up a lot of space in your cabinet, but totally beautiful. And I think this one is my favorite. And they brought these back, the tier trays. They, for some reason, are only getting a couple each shipment. But I would definitely say if you like tier trays, I would grab these. I know that Target Dollar Spot does have their own, but they are way, way smaller. They're $5, but these are $7.99. But look at the size of these. They are huge. So definitely get your money's worth for $3 more. And again, I do have a Target Dollar Spot walkthrough with all of the hottest fall decor items that have hit. Trust me, is a must-see. And I do have a very special giveaway in there as well. So make sure you check out that video after this one. Check this out, you Ioni fans. Look what hit my 99. They have the Ioni Day of the Dead mascara, eyeliner, lip gloss, eyelashes. Let's continue on and see if there's anything else that stands out here in the beauty section. What's that? Oh, it's a bra thing. Oops. I'm just showing you guys what is here, and they are $1.99. Let's see if anything else kind of pops out or stands out as new. Wait, I see something else over here, and more bras. Ooh La La bra. I'm sure it's probably a good deal, but yeah, I think these are $1.99 as well. So let's continue on with the walkthrough. Oh, no way. I do need a new microfiber drying mat, and this is perfect. As you guys know, I love my pineapples, although summertime is winding down, so I may just buy it and save it for another holiday or for when it's more appropriate. But they are huge. When I mean huge, they are huge. Like, it's not like the standard little ones that you get for the holidays. Like, you can tell this is like a pretty long one. So let's see if it has the dimensions. I'm not seeing it, but just you can take my word for it. It's pretty big. And let's see, they have these by Home Basics. You get the whole set in here for $4.99. So if you are moving or if you just need new utensils, check them out here at the $99. All right, let's see. These are the rapid egg cookers. Are they? I think they're 99 cents. Yep, they are. It reminds you of the stuff as on seen on TV. And what's this? Is the crushed ice mold. Ooh, okay. Nice. Crushed ice cubes, twist, release. Oh, nice. Actually, I'm gonna get this. I'm always like, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like drinks taste different when you have crushed ice. Maybe it's just me, but it always, I don't know. Maybe can you guys let me know in the comment section? Have you noticed a difference in taste when you have a drink when the ice is crushed versus when it's not? I don't know. Maybe I'm just crazy, but let's see what else we can find. Whoa, you guys check these out. They have the little Hooter glasses here at the 99. That is hilarious. That is really funny. Check them out if you are a Hooters fan. And they have these again, beautiful mugs for a 149. He's actually going to remind me of a pineapple. And let's see. More glassware. All right, let's continue on and see what else we can find. Oh, check these out. Oh my god, if you have a dog that looks like this, how funny would that be? It'd be like you have a carved out head of your dog. And then look at these. Those are so cute for $3.99. Oh, they're pretty hollow, but still really cute though. Oh, and they actually have more. Look at these for $3.99. Cute. They're actually in the home decor section. Oh, look at this one, the little snow. I'm guessing it's the same. I'm guessing it's also $3.99. That is too cute. Definitely cute little new item here at the 99. Okay, it looks like the buyers at the 99 are having way too much fun. Look at these for $4.99. I mean, okay. And then they have these horns. Very interesting. Okay. All right. Yeah. I mean, they're just interesting. Just like the dogs out there. That's pretty funny. The horns, I'm like, I'm not really sure about. But anyway, just showing you guys what is here today at the 99. It's literally the most random things that is so hilarious. All right, so I have noticed that there is actually a big following. People who watch my videos who actually like Hot Wheels. So I want to just show you guys the ones that I am seeing here. Ooh, look at this cool little drone. And oh, look, a little hospital thing. I mean, an ambulance, like hospital thing. Racing car. Ooh, that one looks cool. And let's see, just kind of randomly grab some. Oh, no way. Oh, that's cool. That looks like the, oh, it is from Jurassic Park. That's awesome. And yeah. Yeah, make sure you check them out. They are 99 cents here at the 99. And this is definitely a steal, you guys. They have this, what is it, 8-pack, 12 cups for 99 cents. Check them out at your local 99. And get your Paw Patrol waffles here at the 99. I think they're 99 cents. Pretty cool. Let's see, you do get, how many do you get in here? 16 waffles, up to 3 designs. Not bad. Here at the 99. Oh, and check it out. Look what's back here at the 99. This is the V8 Splash Pineapple Coconut. This is so delicious, and it actually is really good with a little vodka. So if you need a little boozy cocktail, I would definitely say pick this one up. And let's see, this is good until October 30th of 2021. So it has a really good expiration date. Another item that I'm seeing down here underneath the flowers are the Sunny D, and also they are 99 cents. So keep your eyes open at your local store. Okay, these are definitely new. I've never seen these. These are the Hot Tamales Peeps. They also have sour watermelon and a fruit punch. Ooh, I want some fruit punch. That's pretty cool though. Definitely a new item here at the 99. Hey guys, so last week I did the winner of the book where I'm actually featured in. Unfortunately, the winner did not claim their prize, so that means I will be drawing a new winner today. So keep your eyes peeled, keep watching to the end to see if you are the new winner. So guys, it is crucial that you please watch the video if you enter the giveaway, because if you enter the giveaway, there's a good chance for you that you won. So this person, I guess, did not see the video and therefore did not claim their prize. So I will be drawing a new winner today. So keep watching. All right, so as I mentioned before, the original winner did not claim her prize. So we are going to draw a new winner for the book. Congratulations, Sue Perez. You are the winner of the book. Please do message me on my email. I will list it down below. Please do message me by the 20th of August of 2021, so that way I can get your prize out as quickly as possible. So congratulations, Sue Perez. You are the new winner of the book. And everyone, thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, I do have 2 giveaways going on right now. One in my Dollar Tree walkthrough, as well as one in my Target Dollar Spot walkthrough. So make sure you check those videos out right after this one. So, all right, guys, have a great day, have a great evening, and as always, don't forget to do the 99.